Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my PM recap video for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, we definitely still have not been able to break structure up. So the fact that the daily is down and the weekly is down means that I definitely will continue to look for shorts unless we get a break of structure. And even if we do get a break of structure, I wouldn't go long right away. I would wait for a pullback after the break. Now, I think this could be the end of a correction on the higher time frames. Like this right here on the daily is the end of a correction. If that's true, it will go down and take out this low right here without breaking this structure. If that is not true, then potentially it will make a higher low, and give us a break of structure, which that break of structure is what will turn me back into a buyer if and when it does happen. So definitely just paying attention to my different structure levels on different time frames and allowing the market to tell us what to do next. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.